My name is Eric Thomas. Our life group is Team Fit Run. I started this life group because I'm very passionate about running. I wanted others to feel the joy that I get from running. And so I felt like I could be an asset to members of Faith Chapel and the community as a whole. The group started out with us planning to have Saturday morning runs, early Saturdays, like 6, 7, and just getting together just to fellowship and run. It was very easy because I didn't feel like I had to be the leader of the group. I just felt like I was just a member. And I just basically went with what the group wanted to do. You know, I told the group, I said, this is your group. You own it. I'm just here to help you, here to guide you, and whatever you basically want to do. And so everybody just took that, they took that mentality and they ran with it. And so I have gotten to learn how to get closer with my church members. Where before on Sundays it was just like you can be cordial with them and be polite with them. Now I know them on a more intimate level. Just being a part of a small group is where it really has been a positive effect on me. And just being able to have a consistent prayer life. We pray for each other. Anything that may come up, you know what I'm saying, we encourage each other, we root each other on, and we just want to be each other's biggest supporters. I would say our group is successful because we just try to keep it simple. We use GroupMe. The GroupMe app has really been a blessing to us. It keeps everybody in the loop. And you basically get like an instant feedback from the group, and we basically make decisions together. And it's just a great way to keep in touch with people. Sometimes we hit each other up for birthdays, anniversaries, whatever, you know. A lot of times it don't even have to be about running, but it's just about us being connected.
This group has just been such an inspiration to me. It has taught me about fitness, about running, and I just enjoy the camaraderie of meeting my other church members. My life group leader, Eric Thomas, he has impacted my life in a great way. He inspires us through sending us the word through group text, and he's just really been such a great leader. And as a person, he's just been such an inspiration to me.
If you are interested in becoming a life group host, applications are available at each exit and at www.faithchapel.net/life groups.